how to fix Doordash, your account is locked for review. So first we will go over the reasons why your account may get locked. So here are the reasons: contact violations, incorrect reporting case store closed, issues with background check, or any other issues you may find here. So what should you do? Now, you should allow up to 24 hours to hear back from the Doordash team, and make sure that you know that the support team will not be able to bypass the review period. So you will have to wait 24 hours and you will not be able to do any of the following things. So you cannot dash, you cannot cash out your earnings, and you cannot chat. What can you do here? If your account is permanently closed, then you can file a dispute by clicking on this button. Click here. I'll leave it as a pinned comment. So you can go how to appeal the deactivation of an account, and you will just click on this form and it's going to show you the appeal process for the Doordash app. But basically, if you wanna what you do, if you don't hear back from the team after 24 hours, if you don't hear back from the team within 24 hours, then you will have to contact Doordash support for assistance. So if we click on here, you can see any of these options and you can call them on this number. I'll leave this article as a pinned comment. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.